Good morning, y'all. It's Lonnie. I'm in the shed. This is where I keep all the stuff that I'm selling on eBay. And it is time to pull some orders for stuff that's sold on eBay. Let's take a look. Let's see. First thing is this Lsu Patch, Louisiana State University. This is a vintage patch, I think from 50s or 60s. It would go on one of those old school jackets like they would wear on game day or something like that. Yeah, I took an offer on this for $25 plus shipping. It's been a while, but you know, I might have a buck into this, probably less, because I bought like a stack of patches at the same time for $5. So yeah, really good sale there. Sold 4 TDK tapes. They're right here. They are attached together for $6.99 plus shipping on top. These are normal bias. They call them high output, but they're just normal bias tapes. I just sold a couple of these the other day. These are his Dr. Scholl's arch supports, vintage Dr. Scholl's arch supports. I sold another one. I do have them on sale. I'm looking for S42. I have them, have all the packages numbered on top like you can see. Let me use both hands. Yep, here it is right here. S42. Dr. Scholl's thing. I bought, I think, like about 60 of them or so. I don't know, 6 months ago. I've sold, I think, probably 12 or 13 of them by now. I sold something out of this lot of doorknob stuff. It's a 717 CHL passage. Yep, passage door knob thing. Grab that out of here. Make sure I get the right one, because these are, well, that's a 717 CHL, and this is too, I think. Let me see. Yeah, these are both the same, but I'm going to double check this against what I actually sold to make sure I have it right. I had these on sale because they weren't really moving at the other price. I sold this for $17.49 free ship. So this is gonna probably go padded flat rate. So the shipping is gonna be like $7.55. I gotta grab this little guy here. This right one? Yeah, that's it. These are these Ral Partha vintage Dungeons and Dragons little figures. And you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of here because I'm pulling 8 of them, so I'm gonna be able to see them really easy, kind of spread them out on the table. Pulling 8. I had them on sale lately for $6.99 plus shipping, and the way I structured the listing is it's $6.99 plus shipping on the first one, and then any additional little lead figure things you buy on that order ship for free. So this guy took advantage of that. He bought 8 of them. The total order was $55.82 plus shipping on top. So this is a really good order for these. Let me pull them. Okay, I just pulled the ones that are going out. It's these right here, all 8 of those, and I had them, and I went and looked at the listing. Here's that listing. I made this listing quite a while back. I actually did a video on it whenever I did it. And you could see whenever you go to select from the drop down, look, out of stock all over the place, and then every now and then there's a letter that you can click on and you can see what the figure is, like this little guy here. But anyways, I saw that I'm supposed to have 17 left, 17 available, because I pulled the 8 that are going out. And then I had these left over here on the table. I counted through them, and I came up with 16 twice. I'm like, what is going on? What is it? What is this? And somehow stuff disappears, right? Then I looked under the flap here. There it is. So yeah, of the 17 I'm supposed to have, I still have. And yeah, this listing has just been awesome. A good portion of these I sold at $9.99 plus shipping. So, and these guys, they'll ship. They probably won't ship at a 4-ounce rate, but it'll be pretty light. It might be 5 or 6 ounces with that many of them. Sold a PC game. This is a really good sale here. This is a Lord of the Rings Battle for Middle Earth 2. I got $49.99 plus shipping on top for that. It took a little while to sell. I don't know, maybe a month, but man, what a great profit on this one. I sold one of these Wii's back here that I tested last week, so I have 2 left now of that batch. I actually have another one I need to test soon. But yeah, this guy right here, this is a GameCube compatible one, as you can see there. RVL 001. And I'll pack it up. $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, I sold another one of these Play Arts Kai figures. I think it might be my last one, actually. Hawkman. Where you at, buddy? You in here? Okay, yeah, here's his wings and stuff. And then here is the Hawkman himself. Right here. So, yeah, I sold him for, let me look, $69.99 plus shipping on top. And that closes out all the Play Arts figures that I have listed. All right, 3 more doorknobs sold. 719 CHL. I sold a left, and a right. No, I'm sorry, left, right, right. So I'm left with one right-handed one. But yeah, they bought one. Let me put y'all down. I'll bring you to the bench. Okay, yeah, I'm just double checking. 719 CHL, and I sold 2 rights and a left. Total order, it was $27.99 a piece, free ship. So total order is 80. Let me go back a screen. $83.97 free shipping. So that was a really nice sale. That pays for all the doorknobs put together right there, and I'm in a little bit of profit. And the good news is, looking now, the guy lives in Texas, so it's only going to cost about $9 to ship. Okay, let me go to the box of tools over here. Haven't been in here a whole lot lately, but I made a really nice sale the other day on one of these blades, which I was glad to see, because these are going to be, I think, some of the longer tail portions of this buy are these big blades. But I sold one, I had it on sale, actually. It's these guys here. Linux Metal Max blade, 10 inches. I got $45.49 plus shipping on top for this blade. So awesome sale here. It was, I had it at $64.99, and I was running a 30% off sale, but some really nice profit there. We've got these orders over here, packed, not labeled yet. And went ahead and did a live show while I packed that stuff on RVA Flips channel. So that was fun. But now we need to pull the rest of the orders that are going out. Let's see, we've got a card going out, one of those signed cards that I have from my guy. So let me get my binders. Where's my friggin' bind? Oh, here they are. I do have a little stack here too. It could possibly be one of those. I think it might be, actually. Let's see which one I'm looking for. All right, it's definitely in this stack and not in a binder, because it's in a screw down hard case thing. This one right here, Marjorie Monahan as #1. Yeah, Marjorie Monahan as #1 on Babylon 5. Sold this for $17.49 plus shipping on top. Right, I'm back here, and boy, this stuff is really selling. I have some belt buckles and some other stuff like Batman related right here. A lot of it sold. This is a Tyvek Mighty Wallet Batman insignia wallet, and I got $12.99 plus shipping for it. Doesn't get much simpler to ship than this, does it? Just put it in a bubble mailer. All right, let's pull some more stuff. This is from the other store. I sold Poltergeist, and every time I pull from here, I'm like, wow, these things are selling, and they are. I didn't think they were going to sell that great, but they are selling through. I cannot complain about how this box has performed. I would do it again. Put it that way. Is it really going to be all the way in the back? Where is Poltergeist? Did I pass it? No, it's actually the last one. Last one in the box. We can know it. But yeah, $9.49 plus shipping on top. And yeah, it's going to go media mail. All right, I sold this hat. Bell South long distance hat. It's got a flag on it. I've had that hat for probably at least a year. I want to say I probably paid like 25 cents, 50 cents for it. I don't think I would have paid $1. But anyways, I got I'll look at it real quick. $9.49 plus shipping on top for that. Sold a Superbook, Nebuchadnezzar's Dream. It's a let's see, where is it? It's one of these. Here we go. New seal, $13.29 free ship. It was $13.99. These prices are kind of weird because I put just as a trial, I put a bunch of stuff on a 5% off sale. So that's why you see prices like $9.49, $9.49. These items used to be $9.99, and this one used to be like $13.99. So yeah, awesome return on this Superbook though. Sold a PS3 game called Journey Collector's Edition. Got $13.29 plus shipping on top for this. Pretty good little sale. All right, this is kind of embarrassing, but this guy right here is already packed up. Bane, because I was having a brain fart last week. I sold another figure, can't remember which one, and I thought this was it, and it wasn't. But I am going to slice it open just to make sure I didn't have another brain fart. But I sold Bane. I think this sold just a little while ago. Let me cut this open. Yeah, I'm not going to go any farther, but that's Bane. I don't know why. For some reason, I double boxed this guy. Not sure why. But yeah, I'll just leave it like that. It's definitely packed well. Bubble wrapped, boxed again. So yeah. What did I get for this guy? Let's see. Got $47.49 plus shipping on top. All right, a couple more things going out. The Sanyo forehead VCR. Sold this for $29.99 plus shipping on top, and it is it's fairly small. It's going to Tennessee, and it's going to ship via priority mail. Nice and easy. All right, this is the last thing that I sold right here. This is an Onkyo stereo receiver, or surround sound receiver. I believe I paid $5 for this at a yard sale, and I tested it a while back. I tested it on a video actually, and yeah, finally sold it. It's been sitting here a while. I did have to actually put it on sale to get it sold, and yeah, I mean, honestly, if I had that one to do all over again, I wouldn't have done it. It's too big, and it's a little bit of work to pack. So, but anyways, I did get $48.99 plus shipping on top for this, and this thing is it's a monster. It's going all the way to California too. So that is it for today's vlog, y'all. Just a shipping kind of thing. I'm gonna grab a few things to list here in a minute, get that up. I've got some cool stuff I need to get up, some really good stuff. I'm looking forward to maybe talking about a little more too. And yeah, edit some video, and I will see y'all again in the morning. Y'all take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.